Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieve this reddish burgundy color. As you can see, I wanted my ends to be a little lighter. It is nice. So this hair is from Ashimary Hair, and like I didn't even condition it after I bleached it and everything, and it's still popping. Like, I know that's terrible, but I just did it. But anyway, this is my kind of arrogant Tay inspired hair color. But if you all want to see how I got this hair color, make sure you all keep watching and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye guys. As you all can see, I'm starting off with your regular closure wig, and I will be bleaching the knots first. Okay, here I will be bleaching the knots using BW2 Powder and 30 Developer. So I usually just use a coffee cup for this and like something like a butter knife, because you want to put the bleach on the lace and like spread it and don't actually work it into the hair. So you want it to be kind of thick so it won't leak through the lace or anything. And here I am actually putting on the bleach, and as you can see, I'm kind of lightly just spreading it on there and covering the entire lace in bleach. So I let the bleach sit on the lace for 20 minutes, and then I just rinse only the lace off with warm water in the sink. So I knew I wanted a middle part, so I parted the hair down the middle and began plucking the middle part to make it more apparent. And plus, it will also help when I'm dyeing the hair because I want dark roots at the middle part. And this just shows me tweezing the middle part a little more if any of the knots did not get bleached. So here I am sectioning the hair that I will be bleaching. So everything is getting bleached, but I wanted the bottom to be a little lighter and the top will be darker because I also want dark roots. So I had to make sure that I kept my top apart from my bottom. So next I am mixing the bleach for the actual hair. So I'm using maybe 3 or 4 scoops just to begin with of BW2 powder, and I'm mixing the developer in. So when you're actually bleaching the hair, this bleach can actually be a little more watery than when you're bleaching the knots. It helps it spread more and it's less concentrated if you add more developer opposed to more bleach, which will ultimately protect the hair a little more. So I began working the bleach in from the tips, which I wanted to be lighter than the rest of the hair. I tried to use the brush that comes with the mixing bowl, but I've discovered that using your hands just really works better than just a regular rat tail comb. So I ended up just working it in with my hands. And as I moved up to the top, now the top is where things get really specific. You have to be very careful, especially if you want dark roots. You don't want it to be choppy and your color not to transition to your brighter red. So as you get to the top, you need to back comb the hair. I'm not sure if I showed you or not, but you want to back comb the hair maybe 2 inches apart, well, away from your part. And backcombing changes where the hair is, so your hair won't be a straight line across. So after the wig was washed, this is what it looks like. My roots are darker and the bottom is lighter, as you can see, which is exactly what I wanted. So in order to not dye the lace, I spray a little Got to Be Glue Free spray on the lace. It worked some. I wouldn't say it was perfect. So the colors I will be using to watercolor my hair will be the Adore Wild Cherry and Intense Red. So I'm using the entire container of the Wild Cherry and only a little bit of the Intense Red. And as you'll see later, I add a little splash of crimson. So the water, I use water straight from the sink for some of it, and I heated up maybe a cup of water in the microwave. I live in the dorm, so it's kind of hard to get to an oven. So just heating up the water in the microwave for maybe 3 or 4 minutes will work fine too. So here I'm just mixing the dye, spreading it throughout the container. So the pan is a 13 by 9 aluminum pan, and it comes with 2 for maybe $3 or $4 from Kroger. I decided to be a little ghetto and use tissue to check the color I'll be getting. So as you can see, you kind of just work the hair into the water. Just dipping the hair in. Here I'm adding a little extra. I'm not sure why. I just felt like the tissue was pink and I wanted to make sure my hair would not look pink. And I used the comb to kind of push the hair into the dye some more to make sure it gets all in the dye. So I left the hair in the dye for maybe about 25 minutes. You will know when your hair is ready because the color of the water will change. When I first added the hair, the water was very dark, and by the time it's all soaked up, the water will be lighter, as you can see. And this is how the wig looked when it was wet. And that's all. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. So I'm kind of far because I wanted you all to see my hair some more. It's really cute. Like, I really haven't tried a color like since high school. But anyway, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.